Okay, sorry about my bench. It is a total mess, I can tell you that, because I'm working on the power wall, which is over in the corner there. This was given to me by a guy. It was 5 amp hour. Everyone, their dog wanted to buy it. I was selling it as a second-hand thing and it wasn't working properly. So I thought I'd pull it apart just to see what was happening. And because the BMS, or all the batteries were almost dead, they weren't short, but they were dead. So I checked all their fuses, which you shouldn't do, just to let you know, and they seem to be all right. So what I decided to do is I put it on my new power supply from AliExpress, which I'd have to throw out a yell to Andy, who suggested this power supply, and it's a nice power supply. So now it's charging at 15 amps. So I started off at 12, and that'll give you about 2.4 in each one of the cells. And then I'm going up to 15. I don't want to take it up to 16. 16 is 3.2, which would fully charge the battery. But I'm only taking up to 15, which will bring all the batteries up to 3 volts. And then I'm going to put it back together again and see if it actually works on the charger unit or if it comes up with a fault. So stay tuned. And I've soldered all these up with some 10 gauge or 10 amp wire, and if you notice, I'm pretty sweaty out here. It's getting very hot in the shed. So yeah, all good. Okay, I've had this battery on for a little while. Now if you read the top here, flashing, no go, that's not flashing. Flashing, not flashing. This one's not flashing on the red, but the green is, so it's not fully charged, which I told you it wouldn't be. And that's charging at the moment, so that should be fully charged soon enough, and we'll have a going concern battery. So the BMS was in good nick on this one, and I'm happy that this will be fully charged pretty soon and in reasonably good condition, and I might even sell it to get rid of it, because I do not have anything that's Ryobi other than one thing, which is a blower, which I picked up just recently. I haven't fully charged it yet, but there's a thunderstorm, so I'm just checking it. I'm just going to open the door and see if it works. Well, seems to be working, so that's it for this one. That's a win-win. Win-win chicken dinner. Okay, catch you on the next one.